Okay, so we're leaving a little farmhouse in Spain, and we're gonna go drive for 2.5 hours and visit an old village. It's kind of a damp morning. It's currently 5 to 8, and Pepper's unsure of what to do because I've just packed the car, and she hates that. She gets worried. So we're gonna go jump in the car after she's had a little tinkle, and we're gonna make our way through the mountains again, and we'll catch up in the car. I'm sure there's gonna be about 700 tolls again, so that'll be fun. All right, come on, Pep, let's go. See? Wow, look at that. Don't think we got it on camera, but it was almost a vulture. It was a huge brown big bird. I've not seen a bird that big apart from a swan. It's pretty impressive. Pepper didn't know what to make of it anyway. Right. Just about to drive through some really cool mountains, so I thought I'd put the camera back on. Look at this. It's like they've actually carved through the mountain. I think it's insane. We just made it up to a really high top of a pass. It was probably 1700 meters, and the temperature went down to about 2 degrees. So the frozen path or frozen road light came on my car just in case it was wet, which is pretty wild that we went that high, because we started at about 11 degrees at the bottom, so mad. Oh, we've just made it to Burgos, and this is how everything looks. Pretty cool, like the old town, and this is the university. So we're gonna have a little look around here. Pepper needs a wee. And oh, there's a park, that'd be nice. Found a lovely little park in the middle of Burgos. Got some real sniffles, but I haven't seen any of the dogs being let off yet, so he's staying on the lead firmly. It's nice. I wonder what all these trees are. They've got some funny little things halfway up them. Be nice to see them bloom, I think. Right. See at the cathedral, maybe, or a coffee shop. So we've got a little coffee, and we're walking through the woods on the way to the cathedral. It's like 30 minutes each way from where we parked, so it's a nice little midday morning walk for me and the dog. And it turns out we got 3.5 hours in the car after this, so we'll have to split that up with another little stop off, see if there's something cool. I want to see a big castle, but haven't been able to stop or find any on the way so far, so I'll rack the AI brains and see what happens. Maybe we'll find one on the way down. Now in the centre of Burgos. It's beautiful. It's like an old square. And look over in front of me, there is the cathedral. So we're going to go wander over there and then see what that's like. But very, very cool. And all the little streets are very pretty as well. Very old school. Pepper likes all of the all of the scenery. It's a bit chilly here today. It's like 8 degrees, and it's actually warmer in England, so I'm a bit annoyed. Cathedral de Santa Maria. Here we are. Wow. Very pretty. I think that tourism. A little lap of it and then see it and go inside. I don't know if peppers allowed in. Probably not. No dogs. And no dog parking. Come on. Just leaving Burgos. That was really nice. Coffees are so cheap there. €1.80 per coffee, and you get a little biscuit with them as well. It's fabulous. They're like little flat whites. Right, we've got 317 kilometers to do before we hit our home to stay for the next 2 days, but we're probably gonna go and stop halfway to have a little bit of lunch or a little bit of a walk. So see you at that place. Opening is not yet active, so I can get in the front door. Let's just check. Number 1. Okay. Right. Let's go for a little walk. Right, so me and Dog have made it to Candelario, which is like this nice little village. It's on like the foot of the snowy mountains. Considering we wanted to come away for some heat, it's pretty funny really. And we've been driving for about 5.5, 6 hours today. So we're gonna have a little walk around the town and see how it's going, because we've still got about 20 minutes till we can check into our apartment. As I've just tried and didn't let me in. Let me in the front door, but not in the actual apartment. So, right, if there's anything interesting, we'll pop the camera. Very cool. So that's the end of another long drive day. Hey Pip, we've just got into our apartment and it's really close to a ski hill, so I should have probably brought my ski stuff, but it's not a very big one. That's it. We're in. We're gonna go do some work and have a nice sleep, because tomorrow we've got another climbing day. Yeah, deuces.